Welcome back to another episode, Always Doing Something. Today we are starting on our aviary right here. Got Opa. He's a slave driver here, you know. He's the hardest worker you'll know, besides Caleb, when he wants to. But yeah, so either way, we just got like some wedding tent thing, and we're gonna set it up, and we're gonna jack it up about 10 more feet in the air, put some net over it, call it good. So I'll show you guys the process as we do it. Got kicking it with Caleb over here. Had to move our fire, it's over yonder there. Still got a bunch of wood to burn, but it's gonna go to here. Just right here. So I don't gotta deal with all that right now. But I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna get helping Opa so he doesn't do it all himself. And I'll see you guys throughout the process. Never fails, always something. The last pole won't fit because this thing got a little bent somehow.
Somebody bent.
Shipping, the boxes were all messed up. Check it out, that was pretty big. Opa the genius here. That's right, all right, all right. Next step, here we go. All right, everyone, check it out. It's just the A-frame part. Stellar.
Well, we know where our corner posts are gonna go.
Right, right. All right, next step is probably start digging though. We'll see you guys when we see you guys. All right, well, we almost got it all together. Except for come to find out, we're missing a box with some more poles. They sent us 4 boxes. Apparently we need either 5 or 6. So we're just gonna fart around here. We got our fire going. Oh, let me show you what I'm gonna do tonight. So we got our fire going. I'm trying to get a whole bunch of coals going on. Got this wasp nest over here in the ground that Sienna found. The other night I put bricks around it. Like this. It's right down. Here, wait. Listen. Sienna, back up.
Come on.
So when I put the bricks around it like this, and there's the nest right there. Whoa. So I'm going to get a bunch of coals tonight, and I'm gonna drop it right on top of that. Hopefully just cook them all out. That's the plan anyways. But till then, we're just gonna fart around since we can't do much more with this thing. And we will see you guys here in a little while. Parkour Caleb. What are you doing? That ain't gonna work, son. Can I get like a 360 in the air or something like that?
Heck no!
What?
Off of that?
Yeah.
I'll do it without this.
Okay.
I don't want to hit it. And I'll show you how far I've crossed the way.
All right. Just because that box didn't come in. Actually, we got 4 more boxes that need to come. My sister could do better than that.
Oh, now I'm gonna do a big jump.
Dang. Kicking it with Caleb right there. Always
Oh,
something
my
going
heel.
on. Always doing something. That's what we all do. Always doing something. Waiting for Mama to get here, then she's gonna be doing something too. See you guys when something cool happens.
Oh, God.
Did you hear that?
Cat. Oh, that's a peacock.
I was gonna say that's a peacock.
Oh, God.
Do it.
Mind over matter, dude.
Scary.
Come on, you got this.
Oh, God. I know I'm right next to the
Quit old godding it and just do it.
Oh,
You're
you
all
got
right.
nards? You got nards?
Guess he didn't make it. Are you crying?
Yeah,
wrecked
go
the
give him
family
love.
jewels.
Come here, cry for the camera at least. Come here. Let me see. Are you crying, sweetie?
Ow.
He ain't crying.
Ow.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna end it right here. Actually, we're gonna let Nicole end it. It's getting dark.
I'm ending it. It's always doing something, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time for more adventures. See you later.
Hope you're having a wonderful day.
Oh, who made them like that?
All right, ready?
Set.
Get a
Always been
wine.
like that?
No, they're gonna get a wine. Daddy has to get the stickers
Oh,
out.
God. Not again.
No,
Not again.
Confidence.
You know Daddy had to get the stickers out. You've got all kind of stickers in you. Look. Oh, look.
Yeah, look at that.
That was awesome,
I
Caleb.
can't.
Oh, goodness, Max.
Downhill from there.
Look at yourself.
Ah, spinning.
Alright, Macho Man, you got that again?
Yeah.
You got, I told you.
Can you point it towards the log, please? Thanks.
Yeah, sorry, I was watching you, son. Yeah!
Nice fail.